Welcome. In front of me I have Honor 8 and today I'll show you how you can check your battery temperature. We are going to use external application from Play Store. That's the application from the brain trap that we are going to use, so let's install. Right now we can open it. Click yes, agree, tap close. Click OK in the left bottom corner. When you swipe on the right side, you can find the battery temperature in the other theme, and this theme you get also here in this place. So as you can see, it's very simple. That's how we can check the temperature of our battery. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.